Let's learn how to get StatPlus into your computer. So we first have to get into OGS. Then we go into Content. And under Content, you're gonna go and look for Video Tutorials. And under Excel Basics, we're gonna get into Mac Users and get to where it says StatPlus. And we need to download that. Just okay. Once it is downloaded, then you can open it. Let's close downloads. It should be already in here. Where's my StatPlus go? There you go. And then you double click on the execute file on Apple, which is DMG. Double click on that. And then the disk comes here, and you can just click on the StatPlus and drag it to the application. Once you do that, then if you click on Applications, you should have StatPlus in there. Here. Now, if you open that, if you open StatPlus, it says it's an application from the internet. Just click on Open. Notice what it does is it just creates a link here. So what we're gonna do is let's type something in Excel. I'm just gonna say start typing some numbers. Okay, and then you go back to Skype, to StatPlus, just clicking on the StatPlus on the icon in the bar, and notice how my menu changes. If I click on Excel, it says Excel, File, Edit, View, all that. If I still have open Excel, but I click on StatPlus, now you have the StatPlus menu. Under Statistics, you can get basic statistics, descriptive statistics. All these we're gonna do in data analysis later on, so you know where to come and look for it. And then also the histogram. It says we want a Pareto, no, and had empty bins, it's okay. You get your data, just go into the Excel and look for the data. I'm sorry, I lost it. Go back here, it's already selected. Bin range, we're gonna leave it open. This time, you could do bin range by following the book and just have another column with the bin range, but we're going to just leave it open so at this moment. Labels in the first row, I started with A1, so yes, I have title in the first row. You can have preferences, and here you can say, if you want decimals or not, all kinds of different things. Just okay, and then okay. And you have your histogram, and you have to follow the same thing as a regular chart. You have to go into the chart type, click on the bars, and go to Options. And you're going to put the gap width to 0, and that will be your histogram. So notice that it creates a new worksheet. You can just go into the histogram and just save this file, and that will be your histogram. Another thing that we can do, and let me just, we can just save as histogram. What we can do is close this. I'm gonna go back to Edges, and I'm gonna click on StatPlus. Then what if I just want descriptive statistics? So I go into Basic statistics, descriptive statistics, and go and select my data from the Excel. Once you select it, then you can go back to stop loss labels in the first row. You could just, even here, you could just select plot histogram, overlay histogram with a normal curve. It has much more things that, let's just put 5 intervals. Preferences, we can say what the formatting and all that is, and then just say okay. And this type of version of is not, notice that it displays the histogram. You still double click on that and say we want a 0 gap. So it's also cool, better than the histogram we get from discrete data analysis in the regular PC environment, because it displays the normal curve. And then here it displays much more descriptive statistics that we usually do, but still have sample size as count, the mean, the variance, standard deviation, the minimum and maximum values, some the mode, the skewness, and everything. So hopefully that'll give you a start on using Max for stats.